Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Deborah, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to grow your Instagram accounts for free. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So again, this video is going to be how to grow your Instagram accounts for free. This is basically going to show you how to start from beginning to end and what things you should look for when growing your account to a large number of following. So these tips and tricks will help you out with growing your account. I hope you guys find a lot of useful information here. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, you want to make sure that your profile itself is on point. So is your business profile reeling prospects in or driving them away? So when it comes to this, you want to basically make sure that you have a profile photo that is matching whatever you're promoting. So for example, Instagram allows you to switch between multiple accounts, at least 5 at once. So which means you can have one profile for your brand or for your personal photos, and then you can have other profiles for different products or different campaigns that you're wanting to do. So for example, the Real Grumpy Cat profile is actually a profile from Purina, who use that that target audience who likes the Real Grumpy Cat to promote Purina. So cat food, cat products, different things like that. So keep in mind that you want to have a profile photo that does match whatever it is that you're promoting. And then again, your primary Instagram photo should really be like a company logo or or yourself, where you aren't really promoting too much on it. And then the secondary profiles are going to be for like your campaigns and your products as well. So typically you also want to make sure that you have a good username. So your username is what you get searched by. So for example, if you own ABC Trucking, your username is going to want to be something ABC, like ABC Trucking, or something similar like ABC_trucking or ABC Trucking Co. Because this is going to be a great way for people to be able to find your brand, to be able to find what you're promoting. And overall, it's not like a good time to be witty and call yourself like one bad mother trucker or something like that. And although that might be a good domain name, or at least you might think so, other people aren't going to be able to find your brand or really define you with a username like that. So you want to make sure that you do have a good username in terms of whatever you are promoting, either a specific product or a general niche or vertical that you're working in. You want to make sure that you have something that aligns. Your name, the actual name itself, is also searchable. And although it's not like super unique, other people can have the same name. You can use your business name along with any other variations or keywords that someone might search for. So for example, Boston University, BU, that might be something that they search by. Or if you have like a specific pets place, we could say like Discovery Pets, and then the name could be Discovery Pet Store, Arizona, or something like that, or just some sort of keyword to also tie in what you're talking about. So also make sure that you have a relevant name in your bio as well. And then actually for the bio itself, you only have 150 characters, so you do want to make sure you make every word count that you do have in there. So business profiles should utilize their extra fields for phone numbers, emails, and addresses. And then the alternative is you could also contact details in the bio section instead of eating up the actual bio itself. You could add that into your profile so you don't have to put that in there. Also goes for like if you have like a pet store. Once again, guys, you want to make sure that you put a lot of valuable information in there, either to get them to your website or to an offer that you're promoting or to give you their email or whatever it may be that you're looking for. You want to make sure that you make your bio count, as well as if you put hashtags and stuff in there too. People can pop up for hashtags as well, so keep that in mind. And then on to the next part of this. So you also want to make sure that you do a lot of research on not only your competition, but also your audience. So don't be posting blindly on things that you think will work. Take a look at what actually is working in your niche And that way you can post strategically to get the maximum results from your Instagram. So you're going to want to make sure that you do some competitor research. Of course, you can get some like fancy tools to do that. I've showed you guys how to use some of these tools in some of the previous videos. So if you guys want to see some tools, maybe check out some of those videos and you'll be able to see what kind of tools that I'm talking about to be able to do some competitor research. So there's a lot of ways to do that. But this will give you things on what to do, like how active are they on their Instagram, what kind of platform they using Instagram for, how often are they posting each day, are they posting multiple times a day, and how big is their following, as well as when looking at their following. I didn't put this on here, but you want to make sure that they're real followers because there are a lot of services out there that you can buy followers from, which I do not recommend, or they will give you followers from for free. These are not real followers. They do absolutely nothing for your account other than give it a little social proof for other people to think that your account is actually doing what it says. As for engagement, as for purchasing anything, they're literally not going to do anything. They're just going to follow you that one time and you're never going to see them ever again. So don't purchase them. Don't do any automation or anything like that. It's just not worth it at the moment. And buying followers is going to do nothing other than social proofing. So keep that in mind. Again, you can also see what type of content they are posting. I don't know what I did there. You can see what type of content they are posting, so that'll give you ideas on what you should post, as well if it's maybe like a general niche, like a pet store or something. Maybe you can repost the same exact posting and maybe get the same exact results on your page. How much engagement they are getting, so we kind of just went over that. Which type of posts are getting the most comments and most likes, and try and find out why. That way you can recreate this and do the same thing. And then we'll just skip through some of this. You also want to do audience research. So you want to make sure that you are posting and doing the right things for your exact audience. So you want to make sure that you take advantage of turning your page into a business page, so you can see a lot of great insights on what age groups are following you, liking your stuff, what sex is following you, liking your stuff, what times of the day is your audience most active. And these type of things will help you not only get more engagement on your posts, but also help you out with growing an Instagram account because you're going to know what time of the day that they're active and everything is going on. And you also want to make sure that you post with consistency and that you're posting at the right times. So if you have those insights that you get set up with a business page and you do the audience research, you'll know what times of the day you should be posting for your account. So let's say, for example, if your most active followers are usually at like 9 a.m. and 6 p.m., those two times of the day you're going to want to be taking advantage of a post. So this will give you a lot of great insight. This will help your account grow tremendously because you are posting at the correct times that your audience is awake. So make sure you guys keep that in mind. And then finally, hashtags. So you got to make sure you use hashtags in the right way. Hashtags are the biggest way for people to find you and find things that they're interested. You don't want to use too few or too many hashtags. Instagram does allow for 30 hashtags per post, but typically 5 to 10 are going to be the best for you. You don't want to overdo it. Instagram does pay attention to that. So typically between 5 to 10 is a great place to be and to switch it up periodically. And also, if you have a ton of hashtags, it also kind of makes you seem kind of desperate, and it could attract the wrong type of follower who basically are just following you with no intent to purchase. And then with the hashtags, you want to make sure that you're mixing them up daily. You don't want to spam the same hashtags over and over and over again. That's how you get shadow banned on Instagram. They notice that you're always posting about these hashtags, trying to make rank on them or trying to get a lot of attention from them. So of course, they want you to pay for Instagram advertising, paid advertising. So you get shadow banned for some of these things. So you won't be actually seen on these hashtags even though you're posting them. No one will find you or anything like that. And then also make sure that you do well-researched hashtags. Before you start using hashtags, make sure that the people that are posting in these hashtags are the people that you're trying to target, and also make sure that they're active, not just getting posted once a month or things like that, because it's not going to do you too well if you're not really dominating something that's not getting searched too much. So keep that in mind. And with all of these things here today, this is a great way to start growing your Instagram accounts. Keep all of these things in mind. They're going to help you pretty much 10x your followings. If you're posting at the right time of the day, you're using the correct hashtags.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.